Good morning, YouTube. Just a little early morning cruise on the boat. Picked up. This is Lake Champlain, and it's a beautiful morning for a nice little ride. I don't know if you can see it through the haze, but right over there is Mount Mansfield, and this is the sandbar. So about a month ago, I bought myself a little boat. 1976 Starcraft. Something I'm going to work on and fix up. Right now it's pretty ugly, but hey, it runs, right? And if you live on an island, hey, you'd be an asshole not to have a fucking bug out boat, right? So let's take a ride. And of course now the wind will pick up. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, it's getting a little windy. I can go. What the hell? Yeah, 1976 Starcraft. I'm going to pull the floor out next year. Replace these ugly seats, sideboards, things like that. Just make it real nice looking. Hey, it runs really good. So, let's pull some buoys here, some fenders rather. Take off in just a minute. Well, this is the reason I bought this boat. Just like that. Yeah, the lake's down quite a bit. It sounds like 98 feet above sea level right now. It's what they go by. When it was flooding here, you can go back and check the video on the floods. It was 103 point something, but it was pretty high. Right now, getting in and out of here, it's I only got about 3 feet underneath me in this area. Early fishermen out there. That's the boat I'd like to have right there, the double or nothing. That's sweet. Alright, getting out of the no wake zone here. Yeah, it's supposed to clear up. It's supposed to be a nice day later. How setting you up here does. Sorry about that. Plane's up nice, cruising along, pretty smooth. Looking a little ugly out here though. It's probably going to be a short ride. That's Cedar Island right there. Yeah, it's horrible living there. There's a couple houses out there, manicured lawns, just absolutely horrible. I hate to have to live there. Well, it's probably one of their second, third, or fourth homes, so I guess they don't have to stay there. Little whitecaps out here. Right on, tubers. See you later.